Aplos AI, built to automate the work that slows you down. Running a cleaning business means you are always moving, quoting jobs, scheduling crews, handling no-shows, chasing invoices, and somewhere in between, following up on the leads you picked up last week before they book with someone else. Most cleaning businesses lose 40% of their leads because no one followed up fast enough. Not because the price was wrong, not because the service was bad, just because someone else got there first. And the clients you already have, they leave not because they're unhappy, but because they just stopped hearing from you. The average cleaning business customer stays for 14 months. That number doubles when there's consistent communication after every job. Most businesses aren't doing that communication. We make it automatic. This is for independent cleaning companies and small operations, residential, commercial, or both, who are growing but buried in admin and losing business to faster competitors. Here's what we build. The moment a lead comes in, whether it's from your website, a referral, or an ad, they get a personalized response in under 60 seconds with a quote or a next step. No more calling back the next morning when they've already booked someone else. Every confirmed job triggers a booking confirmation and a reminder the day before. Crews know where to be, clients know what to expect. After each clean, an automated review request goes out at the right moment, not a generic message. A timely, specific follow-up that gets real responses. And for recurring clients, we build rebooking reminders. Monthly, bi-weekly, seasonal. So clients rebook before they even think about looking elsewhere. Our clients convert more quotes, retain more recurring clients, and collect more reviews without adding any admin time. The jobs stay the same. Everything around them gets faster. If you want to see exactly what this looks like for your business, book a free AI audit. We will map out your full lead and client flow and show you where you are losing money. Go to aplosai.com/audit.